Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. Today I will be opening Panini HOOPS 2015-16 retail packs. 6 altogether, 10 cards each, so 60 cards. 15-16 draft class. Carl Anthony Towns, Kristaps Porzingis, Devin Booker. These are the top names of this draft class. If you watch my previous videos opening these packs, so I'll be fingers crossed finding some parallels, numbered parallels, red or blue. So fingers crossed for that. So 6 cards, 6 packs altogether, 10 cards a pack, and see how it goes. Let's roll. 60 cards. I would expect at least 10 rookies and maybe some 1 or 2 parallel. Michael Gilchrist, Marco Bellinelli, Evan Fournier, Shane Larkin, insert double trouble, Blake Griffin, oh, Willie Cauley-Stein, Faces of the Future, and we have this in every pack. Andrew Bogut, Andrew Wiggins, Meyers Leonard, and Jahlil Okafor on the rookie. Okay, ain't too bad for the first pack. Second pack, Costa Kufos, Tobias Harris, Ken Bazemore, Matt Barnes, George Hill, Paul Pierce for the Clips, Jordan Clarkson autograph, rookie? Or it's a second year. Wow. It's like, guys, today I'm pre-recording like 7 or 8 videos, and this is my third autograph today. Wow. I'm just thinking. Okay, Jordan Clarkson. It's not a rookie, but wow, great significance. Wow, 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 wow. Sean Livingston, J.R. Smith, and the rookie is Larry Nance Jr. But wow, guys, whoo! Jordan Clarkson autograph. Didn't expect any autograph at all, to be honest with you, but wow, nice. Derek Favors, Jeremy Lamb, Martell Webster, Thomas Robinson, Matt Boner, Austin Rivers, and we have the parallel Miami Heat, LeBron James? No, Goran Dragic. Wow. Nice one. Blue Heat. Isaiah Thomas, Draymond Green, and is it? No, it's Emmanuel Mudiay. It's only 1 rookie card per pack, unless the second could be insert. Wow. What a nice lot of packs. And we have another blue one here. Oladipo, Shelvin Mack, Tariq Evans, D. Wade, Michael Carter-Williams, Raymond Felton, and Utah Jazz. Trey Burke, Isaiah Thomas again, Draymond Green, and Pat Connaughton on the rookie. So what are we missing here? Nothing. Unless red parallels, which are numbered to 75. Now 199. NBA Dunk again. Otto Porter, Alex Len, Wilson Chandler, Tony Allen, Mark Gasol, Paul George, and this is the insert, Kawhi Leonard, lights, camera, action. Andrew Wiggins, Meyers Leonard, D'Angelo Russell, one of the better rookies. Nice, nice, nice. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom, pow. And the last pack, maybe another autograph. Who knows? But it's no parallel this time. But still, plenty of good. Maybe another D-Lo. Kyle Lowry, Marcus Morris, Luis Scola, Rodney Stuckey, Julius Randle, Chris Middleton, and we have an insert of DeAndre Jordan, lights, camera, action. Timofey Mozgov, Mike Dunleavy, and Willie Cauley-Stein for rookie. So that's it, guys. I'm more than impressed by the results of this pack box opening, shall we say. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you again in the next video.